my everything, yeah. My everything is you, Lord. Yeah. Ha-ha. Oh, 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 oh. Everybody say, ah. Say, oh, oh, oh. Say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough, yeah. Enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things Father, you done for me, yeah. Words are not enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are, you're my everything. See, I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Eunice. You are my banner. I call you Rapha. Hey. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are. You're my everything. I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Eunice. You are my banner. I call you Rapha. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are. You're my everything. Who am I thinking now? Who am I thinking now? Who am I thinking now? Oh, who am I thinking now? Yeah, so who am I thinking now? Who am I thinking now? Yeah, who am I thinking now? Oh, who am I thinking now? Say, I call you Jireh, say, I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Eunice. You
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location. Welcome to another episode of Legal Hour. This is a platform where we digest into immigration, we digest into family law, mitigations, and litigation, and also our Ghanaian law. I'm hoping you are going to stick with us till the very end of this program, where you get the chance to ask your questions, anything concerning you, concerning the headlines that I've just mentioned. Please, this is a very beautiful day, and I'm so happy you will join us. Stick and stay. I'll be right back.
Yɛyɛ fɛ ma yɛwɔ London. Yɛgye abasobɔdeɛ bebree. Na yɛaredare ɛwɔ mmaransɛm mu. Ɛyɛ legal services, bi te sɛ family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary, any family law. Wɔ BWF deɛ, yɛn solicitors ɛde anigyeɛ ɛna twitwagye woɔ, na yɛboɔ nso nyɛ den koraa. Yɛn partner panin paa, Bernard Owusu ayɛ lawyer ɛwɔ UK memu bɛburu mfie 29 years. BWF Solicitors kura wɔn ho. Nti sɛ ba na ebusuansɛm bi te sɛ child care, ɛyɛ abofra hwɛ mu, awaregya yɛ ho twema mentwe, ɛne ɔhyɛ anaa injunction a yɛde to domestic violence so a, yɛmma wo legal assistance a ɛdi mu na yie adwuma nso. Yɛn child care ɛne family team no nim nea wofa mu ɛwɔ nea ɛyɛ wɔ bere yi mu. Ɛno nti na yɛto yɛn bo ase ma wafoto a ɛsɛ fata ɛwɔ kokoa mu. Yɛn senior partner ɛyɛ obi a Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel agyina to mu na ɔsan so yɛ member na kyerɛ sɛ ɛba no sɛ yɛgyina w'akyi ɛretwitwa agyew ɛwɔ family ɛne matrimonial cases ho a wonni haw koraa. Wopɛ advice ɛwɔ immigration nsɛnsɛm ho. Wɔ BWF Solicitors deɛ, yɛn immigration team no avedare ɛwɔ general immigration ho nsɛmsɛm kosi complex immigration, work permit, student visa ho ntotoyɛ, any entry clearance visas, family visas, ni appeals. Yen senior partner a member na wasan gyina tum ɛwɔ Law Society Immigration Accreditation Panel. Inti se yɛtae w'akyi a wonni haw koraa. Yɛbie yɛn office free dwada ekosi fiada anɔpa nɔnkron pɛ mu ekosi enumere nonsia ɛyɛ 9:30 am kosi 6 pm. Ɛna memene so ɛyɛ appointment nko a free anɔpa nondu ekosi ewia no 9 ɛyɛ 10 am kosi 4 pm. Yɛwɔ 4th floor ɛwɔ Anna House 214-218 Tottenham High Road, London N15 4NP. Sawun 93 Seven Sisters Underground nso a ɛyɛ kwantia bi. Yen senior partner Bernardo Wusu san ye barrister ya gyina tumu na ɔyɛ Ghana Bar Association member ɛna wasan gyina sɛ mmranimfoɔ ɛwɔ court cases a ɛfa Ghana law ho. Wa advising local authorities, official solicitors office ne solicitors bebree ɛfa Ghanaian law ho yie. Na ɔsan yɛ obi a ɔtae kasa ɛwɔ radio ɛne TV so fa Ghanaian law ho.
Only adofo enuanom enanso eye me de eye me ho anwawo ase ye de sa dwumedie legal hour de bibiara efiada anope bia ye de ba makwan mema wachen anope me gi de se hwede ampon obatampa adom ne nti obia ho ye bibia otie me bia me gi de se ho ye madam ase enanso ye kofare aba ya kwakofa ba a ene de me ni agisronkom esan se ene topic aye ba be di ho kete ho dodro na ebisa na nenso ya san akotam e de aba ye ba be kyerɛkyerɛ eye bin de yi mesre eni die mom edwumayidi a ye wo Facebook ye wo YouTube ye wo all the media platform ne so ye san air streaming live e wo BW radio sa ayembia bebia wo no weni entumi enhwa ade dia ene me ma wo say bomodia na type BW radio obetumi etie ukọ radio garden so asa na obetumi enya yen se ne be ya obeti ne ekoso eba ne se emra medie telephone lines na tom na wonso wetumi abebisa ensem a how e wo saa dwumedi a ye hu a ekwan beda ho e de ama o mesro onya wonko a enche mfa emo de dodo enti bomode na share Potomokasi share chiche na nko ba bia chiche WhatsApp groups nyina chiche wo so every group in Telegram baby bia wo bia chiche wo so na amansambe ho se asem dedede bi aba na asem dedede ye ba be kanisisi a medama se ene nyame adom ade bia dom ye nti no ya san akofa ye lawyer penny ankasa senior partner lawyer Bernard Owusu ankasa yakotwe na ava na ene one yem bedi sa adwumedie nti meka se ye meda na enya me nkoa na wate ase yie sa enti no mema ne ho kwan na omfa nchia kese ema ahwefo ne atiefo ye firi ho a na fe ye de yensem a ewo ho no ye de ba betu dwa na emom ansa ye de ba betu dwa no nso ye behwe nwiemu ne ahwemfra mom ne ahwe se ayem bia efikese mu ana se home office fo omo aka mo ho ba bia na omo wesesen bibi omo de bibi foforo aba omo aka kase bi ye de ana kase bi ye nwuno na ye beka ne se abit ne ama or the amayen after that the topic na nkasa ye be de ho kita enti Uncle Ben pachomema achi good morning
Hi, Manyeti. Good morning. Yeshia Yacha. Michia etifo nyina ane wona wo beka ye ho yadamase say nanso motimi abeka ye ho hopefully mo share link no na nyame ncha de niam bebre wo ho but ye bepese because of your time na ntini ye be bubum na yetimi explain it clearly ama obi ate ase enti Manyeti michia o papa mafemu nyina
Mrs. I feel too much. Yo, you better was say your tones are free with the American so about community no who don't know. So baby cry now yam she show say, hey, mimbe or semeba, nambidi me juma. Uncle Ben, yamin shroud. Yo, it's your for natural for senior yano debia say ya, share my monche. And then the mammy present, na mon share then cover because in some no more de updates ne dorsal. mpacho mo amo fresh sia me be telephone lines no ntesa na mo distracted program no mesra mo ni die mum enche bia mo ma me just 12 minutes, exactly 12 minutes, maybe a telephone lines no na wait to me ebisa mo questions. Yo, Uncle Ben, yembisa ayembia nyoma bebre na won from me mu yenim se entumi nka ne nyina na ye pe update kakra bia ya de beto yenim ansa na ya start edwumedie nti no home office for aka bibia na mpacho wadaroma.
Okay. I mean, first of all, no, on the 20th of June, about 2 months in it, yeah, the two just private life in Kola, Omatanaha, Watanaha 7 years, and ultimately indefinite in straight. And I think so, say, or mama no 2.5 year route in Ukraine now on year 10 years now, still ultimately, why 5 years ultimately. And I started the 20th. Another thing I'm pesa obiahu NHS. I don't know if we can show it. I'm some mripi no aya and crophobi brave feel say or register with GP. I was say with passport echo. I was say with the visa echo. Wini visa wintiminye. Mubehu say sana yadia to screen this no. Sɛ wo kɔ register GP ɛna aban aka no ɔsɛ obi a wɔ England bia itimi register with GP ɔsɛ yɛ free ɔsɛ wo nhia proof of address ana wo nhia nso sɛ wo de wo immigration status ɛbɛkyerɛ wopɛ sɛ register GP a wokɔ online a form bi wɔ hɔ wobɛtumi a download. The only reason a GP no and register on is ɔno amu ɛhɔ ayɛ ma oni kwan and I said, well, mon won't area more. So we will be our bar as a visitor crown, now with me register GP temporary. Na oko GP in so treatment be or the Mobiana a free. Secondary treatment and a jiska. But primary treatment a GP no a absolutely free. Ain't so we will be our waha I be wall. The entire way abano sir over the last couple of weeks, your instances are. Ghana for a yare muntimi nko GP because also be a catcher almost uko GP I just say with the immigration status what the chere and yet no cre ya the bechere mubium or hwesoro ho a ya kase GP no free afei nso wo hia say we be prove address what the ID beko and say what the immigration status ebeko and also ye ade a wo Zambrano, on the 13th, Monday, no, Home Office added new guidance eba. Ain't already no monim say because of case of Akisinyano, abano lose twice. I'm abano ka say obehwehwem na wa hyehyem rani yi. Nyamencha de Monday on the 13th, and opatutu de beba. Ti nyamencha de so at the bar. Mobeti yenka either on the Thursday, on the Friday, and now on the Saturday. But say BB, I was here publishing immediately. Your social media team never publish it on the Facebook and I feel LinkedIn na mahu. The other part you pese ya dechirano. English language no. Say you taka ho asem. Say English language no. So wo ye application Mr. Mo ye types bebre manyeti ono wo no or your doctor okra PhD ana manyeti mi boa
Nyame nhyira so no kra.
Yes or your doctor or chira de or your facilitator ama or chira de so mo amokotro English no muntimi ntwora ana muntimi nsua manyeti a start ya chira clients no bebre ade sabi o ya adwuma no ya nti eden a obeje o kakra but so far de yehu no ekoyi pa ade a pese mu hu no se ene topic a ye beye no ye wo reason ti a ye beye na ade a ohia titiru no se English language no na eno no English no 4 areas reading, listening, writing and speaking. Reading, listening, writing and speaking. Now we say we nya level B1. Level B1 no European standard no I don't know omahyehyɛ to hɔ a sɛ wutimi pass a on average na we say we nya 4.5 for a B1. So winya broso a fine. Me who be a winya C1, which is absolutely brilliant. Our ISR test no. Yeah, what the academic one and more general knowledge. Ningina a mau B1 no. So we have 4 no now the pass here. Omo beje. Me who be more omo di omo degree ako university. I started university or how more yes application ni bi. University no omo here so be actors no a formal NARIC assessment. It is a university English proficiency assessment. I don't know home office in G I don't know because university no facilities omo di me assess so. And because omo sponsors A-rated sponsors no. The ombeka no home office G2. But so wo koye adwuma so wo koye carer, support worker, complex case manager, senior carer. Na yebekeka ho asem so na yebekire Ghana businesses no na even wo chop bar kra na wo pese wo dey be free Ghana ba. Yebekire so na wo be ya obetime di nipa na ba. Ne nyina no ade a wo hia English language na very important so yebehu difference ewom. Manyati we na me pese me dey nti se bibi foforo ba yebede betudwa na obi
Lawyer Ben, Dr. Ben, sorry. Nyame show. GP asem in fact, omo dey run crofo bebre. Say okwa na omo ma forms na afi omo se fa passport ne ade bra. Enti say ayembia obi kono nim say ni passport hwi nim say enye just for the ID purpose na enye immigration purposes there. And say sa information ya ye de beto dwe wo home office. To make ra printed the can say I don't need to prove all this before you give me the basic primary care no ain't no mommy and shannon so na yen take advantage because me mama for bebre I mean omo ye adwuma no obi some GP omo si omo nko hospital si na manyi over 60 elko na mo ni GP asem enti no mommy and shannon so ho adesua kese e de my uncle Ben yeda se emre na ekọ enti e be kọ ne ntem na yetumi ebie telephone lines no so atuma manfo already ye sha se na nipa be miensa nan afredada yo uncle Ben ene no yes ye be hwe se professor wo ho anonfa topic no ento so emame yes ye ba be hwe how to get a sponsor license for your business to be able to bring workers from outside the UK. Now, outside the UK, no, enye Ghana kwa. Yenim se bebia, but aye akwaye se Ghana for die. Eye den na meja me Ghana ni na makwakofa Chinese ni. Inti no ohono ye kan na che se ye sisi so akosi ye Ghana ye nkromofo. Yo, Uncle Ben, maybe sir, se me pese me we edwuma no ebekọ sendie na ose meye ansa na metumi akwakofa obi aba nti edwuma oka small business na medium business na chese ye hwe size of the business nso na chese nipa dodo nso a metumi recruit ede aba sa edwuma mu no na metumi ate ase se the size of the business nti no yen sha ase say edwuma ben na metumi they apply for sponsor license na metumi akofa workers there ba.
Well, Manyati, first of all, which made the adwuma bia apply. Enti ubehu application no say ubeye application na your process ayefa. First of all, say the end results and say ye pese winya approval. Enti we the display wo ho ye din eguso, which means ye cry ye solicitors no or mama sponsorship license ye pese ye kofa lawyer free Ghana eba ana lawyer bi wo ha o ye Ghana ni ana o ye kroni bi a oni asetena aba wakọ we school ye betimi afa no enti obehwe a se na o maka no almost ye A rating, which means be ye process no ama omo approve bibia ewo ho enti the end results na de akire no we ne pese wunya enti de tene se wunya sa results we a eboa ama wutimi ede nkrofo efi krobia so eba. The first position is there were 2 categories. There was small business here obia ne turnover and do 5 million usually no and I say number of people here juma more than 50. ti omo nyina no home office a classify omo a small business obetimi aye na wakofa nipa naba ye wo charities omo nso follow under small business nti charity no kra no so omo nya more than African American and omo bro fi omo personal no bro 50 so no because omo ye charity no omo band a small business and ye wo big business difference is a woman no aye documents are what they chire. The first part and say first of all no I was say we business to we business obi oya business bia no we are registered enti yes ye lawyers enti ye registered with the SRA and ye members of the law society so enti wo call SRA obehu say BWF Solicitors wo ho obehu ye reference number na ye code ene ye bibia obehu adwuma o maboya ya baso wo so say ye timi ye ye di akotene wom ni nyina wo ho sanso na we domiciliary nursing care ebia wo kohwe nkrofo wo mu fie anamu wo nursing home eno nso wo betimi aye ana se we obi asabe wo ebia wo Ghanaian restaurant ope chef bia sabio ofigana or skilled our Ghanaian food ma wo betimi aye sanso na we Indian ni ana we Asian now person will be Indian restaurant and Asian restaurant, Chinese restaurant. Ubehun sa okoho omo no aduane wo no nyina omo ye Asians and I say omo ye Chinese for omo nyina no omo de omo free outside and buy because say process na omo farm no say even any shortage occupation kra na ubetimi a justify the entire was say nipa. And the first thing is that we are registered business. Second thing is that we are registered with HM Revenue and Customs. And it is our personnel with your moka PAYE reference. And I think so our unique tax reference number UTN. And also our self-assessment, maybe I wait to your tax da on behe or a new business nothing our BR or bank account, business bank account. But we need bank statement. I was our bank manager natural letter at the support to the ebioma obe here no say baby away adwuma wo bia say ye wo fie say a rented premises and our premises are what no I was say we who proof ka ho the ye crucial and say I was say what prepare what guidance about the process of recruiting nkrofo a omonye resident ewa ha ye kasa obi a resident for the purposes of sa area ya aye obi a sabio or indefinite leave or ye EU ni anase or ye British citizen any other person bia only indefinite leave on your British and on your EU ni prior to 2020 December no say any pan your friend of migrant enti wo sa business yi o policy a owo for migrant recruitment den for example say obi ba bepa adwuma den ni process a wo fa mo holiday wo template contract I would ma was staff na ada we can take it off and it is our template contract I would ma nkrofo o contract of employment no law not to say explain law ni ye et law na say and I work on internet na work print bibia the friend of contract of employment wo employees no omo holiday absentee policy den sabe winim say offer migrant na wa mano certificate of sponsorship na wa genatana ha na amana setena how many days na wa madwuma e was our report no winim 10 days enti wo policy no e was stress an yemanye adenti ana wo pese we recruit enti wo reason na wo dey recruit bia mini nkrofo wa ha ene radio so yate se carers ni bebre enkwa adwuma because omuntimi ntɔ petrol ba ko bi oba radio so o say a month no say £300 at the call round ni pay no so ye increase no the demand na the man you nim say bi mo wo ho a omo ye entitled to 54p for every mile on the travel because we are carer who move from home to home okohwe nkrofo omo hia mo services a bia we use car and I say bia wonante sa policy na wo sa adwuma no wo de ye adwuma no etesen so we obi a provide domiciliary care. We register with CQC, Care Quality Commission. Oma best assess oma report den. We obi our criminal record. And answer ya bankrupt na. saa nneɛma no nyinaa no yɛn yɛ building up na yɛde ayɛ nti wobɛhu a saa business we a yɛbɛshow no I think we can show the other one. So this is another business not this one, the other one ɔno nso yɛayɛ ama na wobɛhu sɛ because ɛnyɛ yɛ nti no oh please the name is there take it off wobɛhu sɛ because ɛnyɛ yɛ nti no yɛyi ɛdin no ɛne nneɛma no bi ɛfiri hɔ ɛyɛ very important sɛ woyɛ saa application na wobɛgather saa nneɛma wei nyinaa na watimi ɛde akyerɛ the other part yɛpɛ sɛ yɛma obiara hu no sɛ yɛde ama wo no yɛma wo either A rated anaasɛ B rated A rated ne kyerɛ sɛ wobɛtumi de nkurɔfoɔ afiri Ghana aba anaa obi wɔ ha a ɔyɛ student anaasɛ ɔwɔ temporary visa wobɛtumi agye na wɔ ha na wa issue course but B rated no kyerɛ sɛ wontumi mfa obi amma wontumi issue course deɛ nti a yɛbɛtumi ayɛ wo B rated no sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ woyɛ sure sɛ saa application yi a woyɛ yi wobɛtumi issue course no na yɛka no yɛ certificate of sponsorship yɛ mouse system bi yɛfrɛ no SMS yɛfrɛ no sponsorship management system ɛyɛ very technical because ɛwɔ sɛ wonya either a defined or undefined course ansa na wa issue define no ɛyɛ ɔmo free outside eba undefined no yɛ ɔmo a wɔde course no ma ɔmo even ɔmo wɔ ha koraa no ɛwɔ sɛ wo apply for course nti bi a wɔso pɛ sɛ wo employ nkrɔfo 20 a wobɛyɛ assessment bi saa assessment no ideally lawyer na ɛyɛ nipa ne hia 70 points a ɛwɔ sɛ wotimi hu areas a ohia saa 70 points no na otimi de yɛ ɛyɛ important sɛ nipa na ya dedicate ne sɛ ɔno na ɔhwɛ SMS no so no yɛfrɛ no tier 1 user yɛwɔ tier 1 user and tier 2 user ɛno no ɔnyɛ necessary sisi a mɛkyerɛ ase later sɛ wotimi yɛ wei nyinaa wobɛ maintain wo A rated no but yɛde ama wo no within 6 months ɔmbɛba wo office na ɔmabɛyɛ wo auditing ɔmaba abɛhwɛ sɛ nneɛma a wokaa sɛ wobɛyɛ no ampa sɛ wodi so a ɛyɛ very important sɛ saa de no yɛbɛhwɛ ne nyinaa na yɛma no hu sɛ ɛyɛ ade a wodi so wowɔ files employee files ne saa nneɛma no nyinaa wokeep saa nneɛma no nyinaa na afei wode a yɛnti manyɛ tii aha na yɛmede mo bɛsi on this part no
Yo, Uncle Bear, medawase. Sanya yeno, for no one sem bi anka me bisa. Na make or bo A rated neswa na I'm say oh the explanation e by. Na adofo amu ahoma so nyina me din chia kese e de mama mo amaba Facebook ni YouTube ne so nyina Don Kelly or say the legendary show. Nyame show na aso akobwa Sandra Fraser yen secretary papa bi say good morning odin chia no sa ka say mombo modina mon share program no na hia nkasa. Richie Dogbe, Papa Michiao, good morning, the lawyer, professor, and my in-law, you. We ye busimu aha. Tiliduma, I was so, I say hello, lovely people, Nana Jemai Senior. Odintia edema munyina na oberema obrempon munyina mo so Kevin as Samoa Emmanuel Nikwe dini dos me kasa me boba program no anhwa ye nwie na mom ayembia as time goes on me bobo muden munyina mo koso na mo share rama na sewa good morning hima na good morning Francesa me sremo enidie mu se ne amaba so fefe mo share ma me why me hu sharing na me hu ni nyina me say at the end of this year na mechiche achede ntin bomode ana share the higher share no obenya achede pa yo Uncle Ben yenko yenim wa betre A rated ni B rated na just say B there no obinya B rated on to me o can say on to me employ from outside and I say on to me employ from within ni nyina and I say within it the obetumi employ but from outside the UK na on to me employ pacho.
Okay, on to me employ migrant bia anti say case migrant you'll be only indefinite and on your British and on your EU ne. Anti say we B rated not just say you downgrade you. T A rated, B rated, rated it may suspended, it may revoke, it may cancel.
Okay.
And no every Ghana for pa in businesses be a downgrade your man I revoke your license because among yet record keeping. And your friend be a friend of compliance visit and our compliance audit. So our compliance visit and our audit obia or war license be ubenya be. Either say ubenya and san or mama license no and I say yɛde ama wa wie no within 6 months no ɔmmɛba hɔ basically no ɛyɛ sɛ ɔmo bɛ test wɔ system no ɛwɔ sɛ wɔwɔ automated system a alert wo sɛ o migrant ni bi visa ɛbɛwu a then system na wɔwɔ nti ɔfa yɛn sɛ a yɛwɔ multiple systems a yɛwɔ software bi a yɛfrɛ no Spitfire ana Outlook nso ɛboa and apart from Outlook no nso no your mobile system, your mobile system a alert you a pinge say yeah until last on by your office no you demonstrating na a chere omo so na we keep records we keep manually and not digitally ideally no keep both until say obi abana why employer checking service and our confirmation of right to work nipa na ma share code no so nipa no biometric card ono call online first na ono aye check whether I'm allowed to work proof to work what is shame what biometric card and shame with date of birth ebe confirm say utimi ye adwuma na we generate code bi alphabets na I be a y b z 23 na what the ama employer no nso a check sa wo employer wo employ migrant no migrant omaba ho nyina no why na onya ya a breach a straight away breach on be downgrade to B, which means they won't me employ obia or a migrant and man of course as course in a COS I a certificate of sponsorship no I so important ebiom owo bibia a chere or policy no what document employees no omunim law na a chere se man be adwuma 10 days I was a reporter on my home office no na yetwa o masetena nim omunim all this ne processes a document yen ye bono tofa na ye dia support to application no because I know because I have legal drafting no important say lawyer no na obeboa no aye but the other bits are maka no the software I be capture end date of visas this animal nyina no when I was auto unhia se ubenya personal manager and human resource tetelani a kind of personal manager but I am say a kind of human resource person unhia so we are one man business ubetimi aye ni nyina with the support of a lawyer ideally no say wo lawyer aye good because near many bi wo hɔ a aya omo ye sa area no omo ntiase ebi ti say obi ane advice no na wama zero contract but ultimately ma zero contract wa bra nipa no I was so ye onya certain level of income threshold no your free be going rate near recommended ONS Office of National Statistics we UK or my recommended and our home office I recommend this sa area we pay we na whatever wona wo ye one man business maybe our restaurant and our care agency and I say or nursing home and bibi enya dia obeti ase ana coding system no adwuma bi wo hɔ a wo ya coding no doesn't fit within home office codes no for example typically in the care industry no code no either 646 or 645 sa codes no obia wo ye code 245 243 for training solicitors, I think it's 541. So our codes in England, I will say, and a code bia any going rate. It's important, say, ube who's our coding system ningina. Send a baya u codua. Now we keep either the digital record and I say we keep the manual record. Ningina ebetimi aboa ama wenya sa evidence no. And an individual employee bia and I will say one file. It's either the folder in the manual system. And I say, obey a digital system, I don't know, a work computer, so, and I say, a work app, be so, we keep putting in a ning idea, it me a wow nowadays.
Okay, you. Uncle Ben, yeah, that's what chichi mopa. It's you for senior tier no questions. Maybe beside Uncle Ben and Yako Bosso Dada. Yati Nina as na baby na yemi nyanka kra say wa employ for na omaba omashe adwumase omoye adwuma na afi no wenya absentees wom se wo kwa report ama home office na ayembia wo report ma omo a enya sensanso bi nso wo so bia na almost every time no omo ba na omo ye adwuma ne kakra na afi de omo atwe asa na akọ report omo ne home office na enya se wo report de obi be se we yi hu efrim but se etoa so ba ko mienu a anke be enya sensanso bia wo so se bia saa adwuma na wo ye ana se se embi mpo a wa recruit omo na omo aba na omo ye adwuma no ye be hu se sika a ewo eye code ne so te se care worker for a mehwe sisi a no na che se 1242 a na che se omo sika no should rate from up to 21,360 and I said 20,400 and I say bibi no se untumi eba ne se untumi nchia saa sika no entem bia no wate so kakra so mo ba saa audit na eno nso no ebetumi nyanzunsan so bia omo ye adwuma no employ they are still working but you couldn't meet that threshold no sika no but they are still working with you eno nso betumi nyanzunsan so e wo so ana Uncle Ben pachomi yente wonka
First of all, no. What you mean, cafe?
pachonya mitonka
What you want?
pachonya
Okay, into say how worker don't measure ma who duty say be report no. It doesn't affect you. One report to more and it be affect you. Okay. The second part, in relation to the going rate, ubetimi etua above the going rate, untimi etua below the going rate. Because for every course where you should be I was award the points. Course nankasa we issue points because we are skilled sponsored employer 20 points. Relevant skill and so 20 points. Income at the going rate 20 points.
okay
And English language 10 points. A mandatory requirement. All those attributes be in relation to income ubetimi switch attributes omutimi lower going rate as low as 80% of the going rate. Enti yesi bi etua 10,000 say utimi switch with the attribute obi or PhD ebi utimi switch attributes na instead of 10,000 yesi tua no ubetimi etua 8,000 below the going rate but because of attribute bi as a PhD holder now we switch it now we balance transferable points not this extra points akoka back na still when you're 70.
okay
My main sisu say I very technical. Meaning Ghana, meaning African businesses, especially nursing homes in Niama, nyina helusu omo license. Because the sad thing is a very lucrative area that I have to tell you. And because I am lucrative, selfishness bem. Obi wo ha ono aye no ho manager na wo nursing home on person obetua lawyer na ya de na man to no feel so betimi aye. That's fine. That's absolutely fine. Even the biggest businesses now your clients here your adwuma omo nyina wo outside lawyer omo nyina enti say your client bi no mo kasa onko fie ne omo twa straight away omo de ma omo lawyers so omo deal with. And I say omo trainee omo HR department omo wo a legal person we are one man business sabio I can crab you nkoyi oh na ade are very technical we share with them na otitema nkrofo and I will feel say you okay of course that's up to you but some back compliance auditor the ehun say omu nyina no either say you downgrade you which means ontimi issue until say obe rectify problem no and I say you revoke anya dia eye niji say why invest into this na be revoke license advice I made mo bia ne say very very technical. We've done it for businesses important say even when you wade no enya no difficult and you don't lose it when you're careful so no involve a lawyer in the issuing process ongoing review until you are your client you be by test your system no until you be to say mock trial to your bar your show system no yeah, say yeah, ba abe identify problem near jaw. You identify problem now. Yeah, no year jumano to rectify because the clients are yeah bomodienya A-rated amount. And we've done a few of these people. And it's a Ghana for no pay juma. They are out there. You can go to them and apply. Yem person be lose our license, no. Because at the moment, no Ghana for free Ghana eba because of these businesses, no. Eboa, yeah the man so ultimately oyere ana wukun eka ho. Ono no ohia so be kire bibia, ohia so be English, ohia so be hwe. Ana wo ye A-rated a. Sense kana wo se nipa nya won account nim no. Wo be man no guarantee ana certification. Say because we are A-rated no ohia so be nya say sika no. Ni nyina ya ade a lawyers na betimi aboa na why yeah.
Na kyerɛ ade de den so no wenya boafo a ɛbɛyɛ odin etefo na ahwɛfo a mo hwɛ me menim sɛ dodo na ɛwɔ hɔ a mo pɛ sɛ mo involve in such a thing obi kura be hu me say yen joining hands na mbie care home astempa but ɛhɔ ne nyɛ me feel but I would love to help though enti no mo mbɔ modern na mo grab this opportunity hwɛ ukɔ BWF Solicitors a omo ayɛ initial forms bia se wopɛ sɛ woyɛ saa deɛ we go try ɔmbɛyɛ initial form no ɔmbɛfa sɛ assessment sɛ ne ɔmbɛtumi assess bibie hu sɛ yes you can qualify and I say you qualify to go in for this sponsor licenseship thing nti bomo modern me emfa ho baby a wo but modern first initial assessment there who knows embi kra na owo nanso unnim embi so ana unnim na ya kyerɛ kwan a obefa so a obenya enti mombo modern frɛ BWF Solicitors for ombɛboa no matter how small your business is say wo paperwork eda fan and I say ugidi say wo paperwork okay a but modern akoye first initial assessment na ehu say ampa you qualify for this sponsorship na yen take opportunity share Indian for air take Chinese for air take Turkey for air take ada na yen Ghana for yen take e dey amayen silver platter yen fa nye adwuma anke ben ye beda ase omo ma ba so ewo yen Facebook ne so nyina mesra mo sorry and they no me buboni pp but I'll be mentioning you as time goes on say to me edo question ebeba oya voice note no me so WhatsApp voice note na we mia 07596620154 no we ja voice note ewo WhatsApp no memfre na e call voice mail no we ja message there bi enye no na meka go to the WhatsApp platform and then click on the you can say microphone we so u janso amaninye tietietia u kasa amaninye hanso kakra ya na ebi mu kasa no ye mre too much afenso na mesa di dwuma obetumi afre na we bisa wo question 0208 1231016 and I say 07399208468 obetumi afre na mesi na we bisa o question to do na omoba so na mo frefre earlier on yenko anke be mo question bi wo Facebook no so yen bisa ne quick na afi yenko ni mo say Uncle Ben please I want to know if the court decision on Village Zambrano say Uncle Ben can you affect two parents on leave to remain based on their British child. Okay, question here different. Uncle Ben Pacho, new BB send here, and a second person also say, what happens to you, the migrant, when your COS company who brought you in the UK is downgraded? Okay, a good one. Just you are in my mind. Uncle Ben Pacho, you bet me.
Well, the first one about case, case law no, obia waware British ni. Ono no wo British ba enti okoye Zambrano ana ye refuse no ana call court ana olusu in a court of appeal ade bia ye can I'm say sometimes cases ni wo ha ye can first of all say parent bi wo ha or ye British na obetimi ahwe akola na wonye Zambrano enti court of appeal na can say two parents no ehwe akola na I was say we prove say wono ye de okwa the other parent no ntimi hwe no and the other parent no so ye de okwa no so be di wachi akọ so when ntimi improve say we nya Zambrano and we've been saying that for the past 6 years sometimes obi wo ha onte ase obi so madam for bia ye bia buy good luck to you the problem is say ye nye trial lock because okoye trial lock na mfa ye na eti da so, and as lawyer no you need to justify every advice I would man. The other way a question will be saying about COS, your friend of course, no certificate of sponsorship no. Say you downgrade was sponsor, so na meka no, ontimi employ obi, but mo amo no de, mo betimi ato aso aye adwuma. And one say was so rectify no, because over 3 years now we call for another 2 years later, ontimi issue cost ma obiom for the 2 years, which means they was so free. But you downgrade nipa na, we betimi ato aso aye adwuma ama no. And into a young person about downgrading no. That is why I important say obia nyame aye na doma wait me anya sponsorship certificate no. I was so hweso yi na when lose no.
Okay, yeah, that's Uncle Ben. Obi nso ebisa se eba edwuma samwe mbia ne office e wo fie enti no se eba ne se o use ne home address na obetumi still use as ne office address ana.
Absolutely. Businesses ni bebree wo ho a physically no staff no emba office ho. But omo ne no connection. Enti ono amu no ne office e wo ne fie. Your businesses omo te saa ye adwuma ma omo. Enti se wo fie na ye wo office a. I was so ye sure say we then check say staff na report wa. Enti ba kwa ye ho adwuma no. Staff no ye ma rota for the week. To be list ebia na obeko Akuamansa ho or flat 22 Acacia Avenue N20. Obeko Yautano ho or 19 Welbeck Road, London N15. We into a list na ye ma no. O call mo ho a our system e kire ne se wakọ. They know. Enti wan ko they know. Because system no no because CQS for no year review I was so chira reports and case be a very area yadema will be only time because one visited clients no ebi a command a draw or staff no command a draw and now could treat no and now could be could supervise no and now could boano no dware and now could supervise no na ebi a why na aduane ama no ayeni daily life na wo boa no we our file or report na niema no so the system ni nyina no so wo fie a utimi ye because physically no yin as staff no be betena wo office ho enti so wo fie na wo de ya wo baby wo computer wo we internet kama bibia ay secured because so we sponsorship application ye bisa o say we email a woni omo communicate no e secured ana and I was a woman that taking say email no secured enti software a protected say was obi be breaking into network and our system no I was say woni nyina wato enye very expensive ebi wa the whole year 120 I was say you invest but idea wo business no yen advice you sa area ni nyina ne a kire ne ma I was say auto finally no say wutime ya na ye boa draw up plan ma wa de ya ye nyina no ye de ama omo de ya ye nyina ye de ama omo
Nkube da se business for obi ye or business kama o ka tonto insurance policy kra na ofo say oye obi ehia nkasa yo odofo wa ahoma so mpacho ye fra say na o ka say friend ka fra say we gina so ache mayente wonka
mpacho efreme kwaku
yo bra kwaku anope say wo ho ye de
Nyankopon adom se one uncle so mo ho ye pa
ye ti ase de say jude mu jata no papa bisa wa say ne yanko
bidim se uncle de oti se eburu mu aboa no wura ni kadi kam tra wo Uncle, good morning.
Good morning.
Mpacho me pese me busa question bi a madwene ho ache katro. Na question ne se mikra se ukra British book. Na ukoware obi free Ghana ba. Na unfortunately oba no sebe ne brofo and I say the school enka. Eduru time o se okoji ni indefinite when timi aye life in UK no am pass. Ne say the 5 years in this one the position is ye tosu mienu in case yaya wontimi ntwa life in UK no afei aware no agua aware no gu na still limited leave to remain on timi indefinite because of life in UK na requisitions.
Well, I mean, first of all, no, a hardware, pa, say, sabio English at level B1, no, although say you're speaking and listening, no, so we call for indefinite, and you know, kwana oye, was I, life in UK, and English, no, kwa, was I life in UK. So, wouldn't mean read the idea, obey your life in UK. And ya idea, o corner true tree, near reading a tree, na, what the one ma answer, no. Idea I was so ready now or click it. A very difficult question. But Home Office and Shisha and say until say ube pass on your mount indefinite. However, so ube to me actually say wono ebi away autistic. Autistic in you be a sabi na no so you. Autistic you be a which idea ebi or autism nintino or ebi a lower spectrum or those or autistic and to me and TSE ye will be more autistic a visible. I'll be more non-verbal. But no doctor and a assessment. No. Say obin so wa to say be a manye tea wo hui. Wa chere wa dia wa ye di obeye nyina still ntimi ntiase ana won pass ya. Obetimi aye report. Na what they can application no. Now what they call. But in all, no, son or more cano, I was someone who explaining exactly the entire winter mean. Say, ni school no na enquiring so almost a senior dear natural. But say, what's ya winter mean, no, or who crying say, you better file a report amount either because or spectrum niso and I say be a be into winter mean pass exams. Omo ya re bia obi wo ho a or partially blind into unhu ade but otimi one ne tia otimi hu by the kenkano no ntimi nkeka omo nyina no doctors and eboa but within this no it depends on the level of disability and also inability to understand some questions in the manner no but B1 reading B1 speaking and listening no I difficult. Minim say me maame de obetwa. Me maame de ni school no wa form there but nti de bia no omo ba me maame na aye test. Me say no me maame brofo you know obetwa nti e was also komia on because I speaking and listening. But about life in UK dear na dear aye tough. Aye very very tough. Nti but process wo ho a obetimi at the Home Office discuss na o my exempt no.
Aye. Papa mpacho se wenya omwae.
Me pacha wo dia me pacha chese ya ye bibia wonu a wonyare only say nguma na ombo.
Na obi kire na de.
Aware na bitia no sa no. Ebeki yebeka te e ofra limited leave to me only be mani ni hobiem no. Or call for next renew we be renew am na say ye renew.
Well, obisa two questions in one. Language there no a friend or call knowledge of language and life. I am mandatory for indefinite leave. I will chromo. I just will be a old exceptional leave. Your man 3 years. Almost says this year. Many years a bit as a system. But so all struggle with English, any knowledge test now. An American, I will so be quite a chair idea. Nani pano chair idea no. Or a professional. So almost certify say. No, your children now 2 years, cranny chair, dia, Enyadia will be tra. Home Office akase, ombegiatum, na ya exemptil. So nipana jawa rena ni kuntuno waha, na onya indefinite. Ukwaji indefinite. One of the requirements is what does so worry nipano. So any domestic violence situation, and as a bereavement, unfortunately, no, na or one of the mandatory requirements, in addition to knowledge and life, na oni. Na only. Enti an application. Absolutely, yeah.
Okay, all right.
Yo.
Me that's
it. Okay. Sane ye no na obisa o question kama na eyi omwaye English we no obetumi nyamboa esua ne nkakra emfa pressure nto so na say entwen a mre ne koso no ansa na wo say mekwa akoye indefinite o say mekosua eye nkakra speaking and listening, no. And yet, densa it's just how you express yourself. It is a won't try a won't be we shall say free baby. Now wait to me drew honor. So yeah, just a little bit advice. Me wa question be what board ne so na me ma we enkasansa. Odo for one ma so mpacho your friends about be a okase free.
Hello, good morning. Me Pacho, friend me kweku, me kase free not I'm person me bisa Uncle Ben. One or two questions.
Mpacho koso ne bisa.
Yo, me Pacho Uncle Ben, ready? A question related to abofra or British passport. And ni mami awujane so anya 2.5. Yemfa ne say abofra no gina ni previous father or British passport so. Ininya ne British citizen na maami sujina ni 2.5 na currently no what discover say papa back no enyo original father nti maami no 2 DNA esisa abofra no birth set na current father no so indefinite leave to remain na I feel now prepare British passport in 3 months time for qualifier. Question is say omo pese omo tu kwan currently the bibia nse sign omo nya let bia view bia ho say omo status no ho atochima pese obisa say sisi na question say arise from terminal 3 ne yes ye British citizen na yen serve notice no bibisa akosi ewo airport a obisi there deal with it. And a second question then so no o renew abofra no British passport next year na how is she going to go about or onion say undina also say abofano citizen with the previous father now say you need different ways in part your question no
Ohene oba no wo ye no wa ware
me ba cho there be on worry
no worry okay but why DNA who say papa na ye gina so de ma akola no British citizenship no papa no nya akola no papa.
Yes.
Okay. Well, I mean, first of all, anya maame na e was a okachiro won say me ba no anya British biom. I omo no was omo ye. Enti so fill application form na for renewal of passport na very likely say bibi sa akola ne papa ye hwane a. I was say bi a wo the birth certificate nso ka ho. The bottom line is say omo hu a sometimes on be bisa questions. Sometimes omo bisa questions. At this stage, you know, men can't will be as Uncle Bobby Amane and our uncle say a passport. Mutu moba mumra. The bottom line no is the bottom line. Akolano as you're currently going no or you're British. Obianka so or you're British. All those within the law no ombit me a British citizenship and say omo issue passport no in error. So omo issue in error. Adia normally yen ne say ye ni omo argument kakra say ni say ye punish akola no but say akola no qualify for British citizenship at the time almost omo issue no in error no in fan say ebia 10 years ago near the man say see omo hu say a mistake no omo ye na nya ne papa ne sa papa no is it a mistake? Of course it wasn't a mistake. And to the argument we've always made say at the time no it was correctly issued. So you see, I'm a person who I was some of my reason, and your old reason I was some of them. I was some of my current reason. In any event, I call the 10 to because you won't want to qualify for British citizenship. Some of them man I could says can all those says see himself bit me a fee waiver no. And you're right. I call on your bonny bia. Nima men so near bonnet. Well, we because well, Okuchan, or them member me no, and a could sign into no nima colana papa. But we've always argued. In this area, no, this is what we always tell people. Say what can no crana and be piano, and I catch them say, Yabekana, Yabehu, baby, I obi case we are explaining about homogeneous citizenship, a free in Sema, Yama, my jar, letter, my a love letter, really nice. The bottom line is, say, won't try and try. You can always discuss it with them. Now, one more strong reason to say Jeffrey Akolan in Sim. And you know, a few occasions on person yes, and it's worked. Why I feel say I intro per se, you know, it will be a more investigations. And who say Akolana Papano or ye my sister kun tomo ehu say enye possible. In that case, what we do although say untimi admit say yes no, or register akola as British because at the time on also you qualify so be a British citizen. To ohene menye sure say a lost cause, but for now mamon return a passport keep on until say mo beti omonka. Why?
Okay, you any that's in it.
Papa said
Yeah,
that.
bye bye.
Asem no more ye. Na nkakra obi bisa Uncle Ben yenua ba Ruby Akwele Dazi or say Uncle Ben, please, do I have to write the B1 English language for naturalization? I had my indefinite in 2017. Thanks. The question,
Well, sir, when you're indefinite in 2017, I'm not really sure, sir, we are indefinite, we use B1 and English. It may be, sir, we are old style exceptional leave to remain, Tina Winnie as obey. But we are for naturalization, and we as obey. The other year, application, with English, is meant to expire after 2 years. But so with the successful application, it doesn't expire. To any time, I'll be to me assign you.
Okay. Yenya akwetin so no. Ye kan say ayembia nso wako uni e wo krom ha nso a B1 yetumi exemptil. So wako uni wo krom ha. Why your first degree and now master program now why just wako university wo krom ha yetumi exemptil from the B1 and so mo mention and so. Odofo wa homa so mpacho ye fra o say na wo kase frɛ. Good morning. Bacho,
Good morning, Mama.
say free phone mo wa mami why?
Hello, Mommy.
Yeah, hello, koso entie free gadget na wo hwe program no tie free phone mo na se na be ya time.
Okay, Mommy, you're mate.
Okay. Pacho koso bisa.
Okay, Mommy, but you're mate.
Yo.
You want me to say? Yo, me chia mu nyina na adwuma pa mo ye.
Ye jo so papa.
Me pesa me bisa for fees say omo firm no, omo serve as a recruitment agency and in case na so we pesa oba ha no be adwuma, omo tumi bua no ma eye na afin so in terms of certificate of sponsorship so omo tumi everyone my different team na certificate ni na I know me pesa me.
First question, no see edwuma ben fam ben na wo refer no.
But just say
First question, no fam ben na wo refer it to say omo recruitment agency no.
Let me be say omo to me act as a agency recruitment and say be a outside UK. Like omo outside UK omo pay juma here to say be a home care and I say be a IT hu ejuma bi e wo ho and I say cleaning hu ejuma bi e wo ho. Omo to me bua sa nipa no e wo obetumi nya ne people say obetumi etu sa anamona na.
Papa, what question in person me say firm now will refer to firm no UK here and they were outside UK. Yes agency no na okay.
No, me fache say mo edwuma mo ye ne firm eba no edwuma mo ye ne legal
Yo Matthias ye legal way enya recruitment agency. Ye legal firm, mo ye lawyers. Oh. Yes, omo ye lawyers na ne wo mu say wo business wo krom ha na o business no wo pese ukọ fa nkrofo embe ye adwuma ma no eno no mbetumi aboa o na wenya ho saa tumi krata no na wetumi de disa adwuma no. Are you answered?
But okay, Matthias.
All right. Yeah, that's the papa.
Matthias. Me that sense so.
Yes, yeah, that's
okay.
Bye. Yeah, Mami ya say, Mami ya ejiwa say, good morning, please. I'm filling up naturalization online. Can I add my 13-year-old son, or do I have to fill another application for him? Thanks, Mami ya question, no, Uncle Ben.
Well, so we naturalization. Obetimi a untimi financial form no so because all form our day no form AN. We naturalization. So obano under 18 or registration. Till we use either form T or form MN1, and I say we use British father. Ni nyinaa different forms. Nti I also fill a different form. Emano.
Okay. Yo, mami yam say, Uncle Eyuan, mintie voice note in so na yenti enhwe.
Good morning, Banyati. Good morning, Uncle Ben. Pacho, Banyati, but so bisa Uncle Ben question you, mommy. So, may 10 years for character requirements. I bet so this month, June. Now I'm indefinite that I may know say 2015 or a baby. Now I'm saying who say I'm due for British passport. Now requirement, nema ben I mean here. For my naturalization, I'm going to apply for British passport. That's it.
Yo, Uncle Ben Pacho, mini abe me ni question no.
Or say or your naturalization, and then I say.
Na ose ni character BB ebesi this year. 10 years is beso this year. Pacho, member not making kind messages ni bisi na mema ho mwaye. Just 40 seconds.
Good morning, Banyati. Good morning, Uncle Ben. Pacho, Banyati, so bisa Uncle Ben question you, mommy. So, may 10 years for character requirements. I bet so this month, June. Now I'm indefinite that I may know say 2015 or a baby. Now I'm saying who say I'm due for British passport. Now requirement nema ben I mean here for my naturalization. I'm going to apply for British passport.
Okay.
That's it.
Uncle Ben Pacho tie.
First of all, no, sir, or character, we no not just say, onya ne lawful residence, no, this year na 10 years, beba, until bisa, yes, I was so trying to exact, until I'm say, overstay from November, 2012, I was so trying November 2022. Sometimes, you know, to me, my explanation. But so with me, I trained for the last few years. June, I'm say 4 months to on train now and so. Yeah.
Yo, nti kwajo Uncle Ben aka ama o si train na 10 years na so.
Yeah, that's the person me dey count on say and then no business bi wo ho or fan for in fact ohia carers bebre. Nti the better so enye say say ye be wi a yeah, the business in the better so. Na mobetimi afre number no. Mesremo, first of all, no business na ya de to so a more friend no. A legitimate business. More any rating or you good or home office website. The part I mpese mu hu ne say offer only omo ye willing so mbe ye adwuma. Ti say wo feel say o de kofo bi wo Ghana bana obeduwa na onye hwe obefre home office na ya cancel na setena no so obi we wa high student obetimi aswitch akọ enti ye the business na beto ho omo telephone number na omo address mo betimi afre omo na mo ahwe se mo nuano ma free Ghana eba no se obetimi afa omo a but se na ye ka no omo wo processes a omo dem befam se mo be ye sure se mo wo English language no ti bi say no u ka chem se o pese free Ghana ba. First question is why are English? You know, I don't even entertain the way because the problem is pass English now. Bibi ebe can be enye ye. Until say you know, more sure say so be person baha as a carer and as senior carer and as support worker and then on starting preparing cultural English, you know. So university degree there, that's fine, you know, or yeah actors assessment ebefa. Enti yeah the number no ebetu dwama na my friend adwuma no legitimate business say we are willing so we yes adwuma no enti so woni mo bi a mo ka kire no say end of the program the number no betu dwa na mafre manye ti
Yo,
me wo sere pa
Uncle Baby, that's it. Me send a message be but yeah. Other for our home so Miss Pacho o kasa friend na my ento come our voice message baby or ha me bona Pacho be so question in
oh
term.
okay so we will not put it up
Make sure Manichi and Opelone,
Yeah.
Uncle Ben.
Uh-huh. Pacho
What's
koso.
the manka?
Yes.
Okay, me Pacho person who's Uncle Ben, mini about could be also for so then about if we see by I'm so you negotiating. Now, your friend is a union area, I'm so they are two. Now I'm to upload documents nice or the can Emma or Montino. Obeso busa nkebe nse bia oba na nke a owetimi aboa na ma upload document na to so bi mo nso no oso wonya one issue ba ko I say oil confused kaka me wo cheche mu che me ka chenze nka on frame manya kora na eche me yesa zabi mo be ba life on the nka offer true manya nka manya direct na ma lawyers no because me busy it no the question obusa to so me nso was say perfect nso na me say jambre nkora ni tini sister ho enti no ne ba in the bucket one nkran yem you no bi ama men ko ntin bucket one em so ebra okoye ne bucket one be set no na unim akra ne ma me ni din unim ne din ankasa nti atom so papa no so ofre na no so wo gye no so be went me am vent ma me na ni nua na o hwe ne ba no de ni din share akra ne be set ne so nti na ho no o se abasa wo me passport na bi bia we buta se no no betimi ayi sa.
Okay.
The question now.
Yo. Uncle Ben be ma why papa.
Okay.
well I mean first of all no nipa no person ko fa na mafri Ghana ba na mboa
Ivachana.
ana nipa ne problem ne ye den
Also, I application in a read yatum. I application I submit. I can upload documents. No, no. Second one is in the best set in the deal. And you know, besides which me a bonus or bar.
okay birth set na ye den
Best set no say Ninia Bana or her in the manner. Say bra or koya amakwala na say jamre of papa na no nya no the bucket one mama gian kasankasa no wankai nkran yim no bia mama nkonti the bucket one mama gian kasankasa no no sister na ankai the ohwe nkwada no ofre no ne papa no so no nya no na omunsu gina so age nti odi wono ankasa ni din sister ni gian kasa na hye ono
enti papa na ye application nkola ne maame din no why din no de share ho de wo birth certificate na na say nkola no
mama ya nem
yeah manon koso some birth certificate no why
okay
mano on some birth certificate no
okay all right
obetimi I withdraw application no at
okay.
this stage no mon consider application no
so ta no men direction mo on fambre na obetimi ahwe mama no
well sir obe prince obe some birth certificate no there absolutely
I just say
Or say so be finish so be some birth certificate ne dia e kwan da ho obetumi ayo.
Okay, all right.
All right, yo. Yeah, that's the papa.
Thanks, you don't
Yo. Asem ni mo ayedin na yeah can no mesro wa odina so mami few minutes na me mbo me voice note ne kakra why na omo nso edos wo ho pa na Uncle Ben ye wia na ene wo ho no na ye de ato aso ye nua bay ebisa question bi ye ntie no quickly na yemra.
Good morning, Manyeti. Good morning, Uncle Ben. Me pacho me bisa masem tia wabi. Me pacho se ukita Ghana passport na se utu kwanya ako Ghana na ukita aha residence card ena ube transit wo Amsterdam na ufa KLM. Me pacho ehunya se ubeji transit visa ana medase.
Okay.
yes sir when you British citizen and a European national will call any of those transit way na obeje matise omo ambassador na ka say omo be expedited service for omo pet transit visa no but yes obeje transit visa it's unfortunate. Some of the implications of Brexit and international panel, but it's what it is. It was our visa, and as I was our British Airways, and as a BBA, crew for us who we have visa.
All right. Yo, the for one so Pacho, your friend said now case friend.
Mepacho, good morning. Your feminine Nakosia.
Good morning.
Mepacho, on a permanent question is a me niece be a Ghana or a nurse or a degree holder nurse or really service or any pain any BBR. Na me pese me bisa say a kwan ben obefasa obitmenya sa nursing courses maybe about my baby.
You or person be nursing and now be care worker.
Or person or practice nursing waha.
Nursing route no a little bit different from care worker route no. Nursing route no uya obetumi afre memo procedure ne nyina ono ankasa betumi sisia no arehosam kakra eye kakra bi keke wo ne say UN for the embargo to Ghana and Nigeria nurses recruitment ne so nanso ne nyina echi no we have individual companies and so almost still they are doing the recruitment into pure nursing route ne there a slightly different kakra echen care worker route no enti no mentumi nkyerɛkyerɛ ne nyina mu emre enti no but after the program no offer me later on na metumi akyerɛkyerɛ na mema procedure na ye fam for nursing no na wetumi e de ama no why
The Pachamim number we are so after the program.
Obetumi afre 07596620154. Our board ne so WhatsApp notes only no. Why?
Okay, all right.
Okay,
Thank you very much.
That's it.
Manyati, the only thing I say, last 2 weeks, Nursing and Midwifery Council, a complaint against Omo, especially about Indians, Pakistanis, Bangladeshis, Filipinos, necessary, Bahano, saying Crofoko formo the bar. So me ba bedu no mu wie omo process a ombetimi de anya happy no e de aye adwuma to witimi ba as either a nurse, auxiliary nurse, a nursing support carer, support worker, even complex case manager. Now why nya time now what they are yes what the yes are wo hadada te no an say wa switch abey nurse because omo ko recruiting crofo no to send nurses the bar ye ma omo limited period of 2 years. When to me and year, I was see a trap. We went to me even in low. As a nurse, I was so yeah, Juma as a nurse. But obey me a as a senior support worker, a senior carer, or a complex case manager. Because complex case manager, no, when I will manage nursing home, no, and our domiciliary nursing, no, or more clients, or more needs, or prepare meal plan. And daily activity in any. I mean, say we are nurse in a juma. Just a won't panic and I won't diagnose the disease. But a juma is similar. So we bet me the anuaba through this route. No, now ba what obo I 2 nursing exams. No, the take test. No, and an English side and also. Yeah.
Okay. Yo. Mpacho, well, Fred direct line of friend WhatsApp and I made to me a pick. When you call it direct, na mean to me pick. Why? And now senior be Uncle Ben Betty question no more. Prof, say your advert back would be person would be film just shortly. First one, English one, or not mean to me friends so kakra family memo. I don't hope oh my audio dear no, and I may no. Na just shortly now the film one na memfa no means you kakra so.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specializing in a range of legal services, including family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary and family law. At BWF, our solicitors are pleased to offer high-quality legal representation at competitive rates. Our senior partner, Bernardo Wusu, has over 29 years' experience as a lawyer in the UK. BWF Solicitors provide independent and practical legal assistance for all kinds of family matters, such as childcare, contested and uncontested divorce, and injunctions for domestic violence. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you in this difficult time, which is why we offer confidential advice delivered in a sensitive manner. Our senior partner is an accredited member of the Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel, which guarantees expert representation in all family and matrimonial cases. We are located at 4th floor Anna House, 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road, London, N15 4NP, just a short walk from Seven Sisters Underground.
She has muted herself. Would you mind telling her? Manyeti, I think you've muted yourself.
Hello, yes.
Yeah.
Odo for also, yeah. Mpacho wo kase friend ye fra osan.
Because every Manchester, that is saying,
Papa, adomo nko a onso e.
Yes, what more. I really have the museum and maybe some Bama is watch it.
Eja se na e kase.
I don't want to say.
Mpacho eja se na e kase ya na.
When you PM, that was it. That was it.
Ya hu ya papa ya hu ya enso ye to nka ache.
Nyagro, William is someone to Guanacra.
Okay, Mpacho bisa asem ne enko ya mre ni sakakra.
You know, I must say, you, our dear to say.
Uka yiyu awade a mpacho emodo na wan cheche mu a yentime ma omuaye.
I said you ni better worry. So be a you so who will be a say only got an officer worry no.
Papa uka ne sade a menye we but odo de se mfa ho so ye yiyu no nye yiyu no to me worry aware ne de to me worry o papa. Enti wo ware wi a ehun krata sem no na ye beka but wo ka say oni nkrata na obe wa na wo kan me ngi ntum me platform me so wenya odofo bi o ye yi ni opeso ware ekwan da hwa so obetumi aware de bibie ensi ho kwan na wo ka say oware wi a kwan be no be ye afa so no akofa ne yire ana ne kunu aba eno na ye asembisa no nhihye wo ho no Uncle Ben de beto so e de ama
yo.
Well, I mean, first of all, sir, we EU now waha as at December 2020. Now our warrior no worry as at December 2020. Obana still bet me the number. So Obana waha that now worry no as at December 2020. Now we now waha as at December 2020. Now in a more application still bet me aye. All those was all my explanations I didn't know was no. But say EU ni waha as of December 2020. Nothing we share will be a nipa ni people no be worry na. Yeah, the British rule in area. British rule nso lawful residence are mandatory. And so nipa ni lawful residence na be nim and as a compassionate circumstance ni ma. Na e be very difficult say obetimi aye successful. Yeah.
Okay. Yo, nti eja se eminim se wo enu wo so em se ateko enti no se ni Uncle Ben achiche mu no sa na tie odofo a wan homa so mpacho wo na mane ndi 0947 kasa yetie o.
Good morning ma, good morning Uncle Ben.
Good morning.
Question me no pena bako me auntie bi o Ghana ya wo de ne ba holidays. The girl akwa no 13 years. Yes, no, but Fakano or Provocana, Fagakwana Pacuma, the so bit my bet Takuma Kuskua. Now, my cousin is who I was going to mention. What is it possible? I bet my Anyan Katama 130 years, one of my men deficit the bar. And is there a penny possible with Mayan Katama? And a two so me uncle Benny on the partner more on a partner no way just a little bit argument or one of course I got one fat me uncle the anchor certificate no one can channel bra. I want me partner or person or pa. They are saying in this case no where they am what mama ni dey abaso because I catch off ground on a life on nima the party why I find out team casting we are so the Uncle Ben here more na she say if there's be a bit of one to me that's
O question there me nim Uncle Ben ti ni ye dia Uncle Ben pacho o take akra there.
Yeah, well I mean first of all opesa wo je akolatna ha I was say we are sure sir either saw your bar and now we're guardian. So your bar and now your bar and you'll be our adopter now. Requirements in a very strict.
eba kakra wa na fa wo call no ma wo kasa ne nkɔ for mami why Mr. Weni die mu Debi enye wo obi nso kasa weche ma fa 3 calls obi nso kasa weche Mr. Munye mumma kasa ne nkɔ for me enti
Enti enye straightforward sir, but se bibi wo akola ne life mo en enti no wo so betena ha. You know, for lawyers na or for your officer, you know bekasa. The other part, you know, about the second question, no. I'm say don't put no bisa, you know, about second question, no. Then I'll bisa about second question.
Second question, no see say
DNA.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, Matthias. Yeah. The problem, no, sir. Say, oh, bar now, person who prove say your bar, either through voluntary agreement, or the mameno, na my DNA, na mo the approval, and answer obeko court. Either way, no process, no, you're okay. We are now one amend the birth certificate, no, na omo the details are so. It's straightforward. So, bar not yasia, obetimi na aka, no my DNA, no the asheso. Say akola ne under 12 months on betimi akọ registry no omo de akọ hyeso but over 12 months I just say what the other evidence back say oya oba now the yeah
okay papa yeah that's it
no oba no proof difficult say also oba no proof difficult e won respond do no be there oba no proof difficult or be there
say I just say what the court
say oba
what the court say
or say it is all the court
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it. Right. Many and so questions say what's on a door so and order for one man so me fa we a men fabium na men kan me messages ne kakra na anke ben na afide em fadwumedie no embewie ye mpacho wa homa so me tie o yen kasa.
Good morning, Manyeti.
Good morning,
Uncle
Papa.
Ben. My sending voice notes already, but mobile na you know na must keep it. Many years been or person assistant from 10 years route on a partner route to 5 years, you know. No, so it's no person who say forms being here already now omiti financial requirements or degree into meaning say apart from the financial requirement need degree, no. Before phobia or hobby ma and a forms particular forms that of the application, you know. That's it.
Okay, Uncle Ben.
So ujina ne partner so a FLRM. So ujina ne baso a FLRFP.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. That's
yes,
Uncle Ben. So.
Yeah.
Yes, that's it. Yo, other form one man so no say me pick telephone lines ni biom na yentumi enso because I can't just 11 abwe Uncle Ben so edwuma bebre egu ho so okoye akosia white say good day Uncle Ben, please is there any special package for someone in Ghana who wants to relocate to UK and work and na ye be church mu ene no edwuma de obetumi abeye care work bebre e wa ha na ti se onya sponsor lines sorry onya obi a o sponsor lines are all recruiting crop for na wetumi ama osa package no suggest to come here and work Mr. Misimin fa course bi ebiom just to come and work ne dia one of the ways a obetumi however no oko government.gov ne so skill worker visa shortage occupation ne so a there are so many works e wo honum o hwe qualification na o hwehwe that type of edwuma no so a ubetumi enya you can do this yourself ma ta o pese obi gine mu mawa eno na ebi mu ayam contractors on be use kana no on hwehwe edwuma no emma na afede ne ebeka legal aspect of it no the ama lawyers na lawyers no a progressive from there at the amount yes me niaba and ho de me ma Uncle Ben enkasa na yenko yenim na Uncle Ben pacho we si me mbo ne voice note no nti me so eni de mo me mbo ne quick na yenko yenim
me pacho sa nipa no ofri Italy no we join in ebusia wa ha nti okuta Italian documents, Italian ID card ne sojourno permit of stay nti eno no obetumi di afemo Amsterdam ho de akọ Ghana na medase
okay eno Uncle Ben
oh Manyeti pacho sa nipa kora na menu aba ebisa ne ho asem no de tie ne se nipa koro na ne husband European citizen ɛna ɔbaa ha nom ɛna ɔno nipa koro no bɛ join ne husband na ɔne ne nyinaa wɔ Italy nti ɔno ɔbaa na ɔretu kwan no a okita aha nom 5 years ɛne Ghanaian passport no at the same time no ɔsan kita Italian documents no ɛyɛ ɛhɔ permit of stay ɛne ɛhɔ ID card and with ɛno no na deɛ menim ne sɛ wotumi de tu kwan kɔ any European countries nti ɛno na ɔpɛ sɛ ɔyɛ very sure of sɛ ɔwɔkɔ Ghana no sɛ ɔkɔyɛ transit no wɔ that European country no a ɛyɛ Amsterdam hɔ no a still a wobɛhia visa no anaa because okita ɛhɔnom no so
na MC Uncle Bay yi ano na Uncle Ben pacho be bi wo ha de be ka ho omo question.
Well, I mean, first of all, no, on Fred KLM because I had to see out in Tiodo Sojourno, no, I chess out to Italy, no, won't to Italy, I had out to on Fred airline on Bissau because I'm person maybe be a caco cost no airport. Yeah.
All right. You, Alex Osenju say, is B1 the English test for recruiting care workers from Patrick? They are Kenyan now, here, and no have B1, you're more different, Mr. Outro from Ghana, and only IELTS, no, you was speaking, listening, reading, and writing. 4 aspects when I say outro, you can either if you write the academic ones and I say general one, na ubetumi eyusu e de ayenti misramo ban eno dia mo frame me later on na me ncheche mo kakra na me hwe so how many months can you spend outside the UK in a year without losing your accumulated number of years that will allow you to apply for British citizenship? My last question on Uncle Ben Pacho.
George, first of all, no, under the law, no, 90 days in a year. However, there are exceptions. It is offer 90 days in 3 years, you know, and that is 270. In 5 years, you know, that is 450. But sometimes, you know, even up to 900 days absence over 5 years, you know. So we share exemptions now. Until they say 90 days. But it can be more. But the yardstick is 90 days a year.
Okay. Uncle Ben, that's it. Me mami we maybe some question we are or obebo me. Opeso ye care sponsorship license CB. Na no work care agency. But no personally, she went through bankruptcy, not the company. No, Bisa say, you made mention of bankruptcy, say, Obi go through her own to me, unqualified. Mpacho, any company, no, or no personal, no, can there be any change and as still affecting them?
Well, so a director, or what day-to-day management of the business, are we a bankrupt? Unfortunately, no. Home office, omo juma omo ye wo ho na na ye sha won sasa wo ye ma omo as a franchise be. Nti I almost feel say, you know, when you be I be trust between trust nti no onto me. So or yeah juma wo keke no nya director, that's totally different. Yeah.
Okay. Yo, me dem see on be home because MB na udin any company we ne so and I say MB ni baby dia na bibi. Anyway, yam fe no nto ncha ba nya me show ene say dwumedie wo dia betu dwa e dia mayen omo amogina so nyina menim say mo twen bibi na me ankasa me hold adekode no menim ne ntira. Enti Uncle Ben me sraw eni die mo ene die na odbe dia nkra ansa na ya sori ye na so na ya.
I'm say a couple of months ago, you can say wo fill forms Udia where you sit down as an emano. Your reason tia ya can no. Na sa time no ya can say obi a ye beje British citizenship every we can show that. Ain't say ye beje or British citizenship every unsema omo letter. Obe unse letter we are omo dia bano. I'm saying shada too clear. But omo can say say ni pay on the 24th of March, you know. Ye tro say ye ba abeje or British citizenship every unsem because you say we tran tro. Na sisia no information na o lawyers dey aba no. Ahwem ye nia ye hu say problem no anye ade wo say ye je owe no nti ye nyanje o citizenship no free unsem. Enti na ya kana we can take it off for that. And enti na ya ka say wo ye application na ye bisa say we use din bi da na wonim say wo di din na akoye bibi wo high commission da edi 20 years kra mesrew o metimi eyi aba enti you careful say we be answer questions in ye na mo answer ne ye na asem ba ho a lawyers no be deal with asem no to say case we are omo chiro ye no say nka omo gf ni nsem ba ya ye ama say na mo hu ye no omo ka say omo ngi bio nti oda so British, which is good news nti e fill form a we used din bi da mama ya ntimi nka no kre ewo yo nti ne aha na me de besi.
Yo, Uncle Bear, yeah, that's it. Nyamen Shaw, Ubin Subisa, me say, for committing driving offense 7 years ago, and also undeclare. Many about Bomodia natural say, I, why, yes, I did, and why, na Uncle Fast, a man, but Nyamen Shaw, Ubibia, Uti, Yamea, Duma, program, ye, or China, ye best, ye, a biom, the community and the law. So, community and the law, ye near Bema or real Kufrim Pond, the big genemo, it do want put in Eddie Mayan. Yebenya yen lawyers bia say na oni abefem. You will very beautiful topic for you tomorrow. You will love it even cry more than today's one. Ain't mumbo mo dia na mo journey 4 to 6 p.m. Ochina Saturday. The community and the law baso na ma journey. Ohwehwe BWF Solicitors for chira kwan. Enye yira kwan kra. Eno a say call 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road Niso. 7 Sisters. Na yem postcode ni N154NP. Sa yem bia o drive na se o pese o ba sa petemo ho na. Ye wo test ko bi wo 7 Sisters station ho na very big test ko mo parking place. A obetimi a park for 1.5 hours. A obetimi dia akodi edwuma ntamtam na o dia ba. Sounds na obetimi afre omo number si 0208-493-7340 so. Na oni omo book appointment no embia na baby a wo no ewa wo Scotland wo Ireland tese be wo kwan wa na ontumi mba keke no nso omo aye ho arrangement a ye betumi aye wo video interview and a video consultation ye betumi aye telephone consultation senia upe bia obeye comfort at your home no omo de nhihye ato a ye betumi aye ama na tese omo afa wo case no on says na open dia enti no BWF Solicitors o man make it available all media all places are obetumi are getting in touch with them na omo emergency na maybe memfa eno nso ntudwa ahokyera ba na fe baby a wapem no enye yi a otumi fresh na ma no na obenya respond na yetumi ni adili 077 127 61884 me sambo studium 077 1276 1884 me bo ni sana eto aso mu yi nti nyame nhyirahira obi biara mutie yen yigidi se mani age program mo nkoso enhye na mo repeat nhwe mo nhwe na mo hu apona edi ba na nyina no na nyame ya adom na Yesu aba ochina dase na yebesan ehia biom me ma mo nyina bye bye.
Ye fema ye wo London. Ya ji abasobodie bebree. Ne ya redare ewo mranse mu. Eye legal services, be to say family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary, any family law. Wo BWF die, yen solicitors edi enijie ene twitwaje wo na ye bo nso nya den kra. Yen partner penin pa Bernardo Wusu aye lawyer ewo UK memu bebru mfie duonu nkron 29 years. BWF Solicitors kura won ho. Inti se ba na ebusuansem bi te se child care, eye abofrahwe mu, awaregya ye ho twuma mentwe. Ene ohye ana injunction ye de to domestic violence so a, ye ma legal assistance ya edimu na ye adwuma nso. Yen child care, any family team no nim nia wo famu ewe ne ye wo brei mu. Enu nti ne yeto ye mbo ase ma wafutu a esefata ewo kokoa mu. Yen senior partner Ayobia Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel agina tumu no sanso ye member na kyerese eba no se ye gina wachi etwitwaje ewo family any matrimonial cases ho a unni haw kra. Upe advice ewo immigration sensem ho. Wo BWF Solicitors die ye immigration team no abredare ewo general immigration ho nsemsem kosi complex immigration, work permit, student visa ho totoye, any entry clearance visas, family visas, ni appeals. Yen senior partner eye member na wasan ginatum ewo Law Society Immigration Accreditation Panel. Inti se ye taiwachi a wunni haw kra. Yebie an office free Juada ekosi fiada anopa nonkron pay mu ekosi enumre nonsia eye 9:30 am kosi 6 pm ena memene dan so appointment nko free anopa nondu ekosi ewia no 9 eye 10 am kosi 4 pm. Yewo 4th floor ewo Anna House 214-218 Tottenham High Road, London N15 4NP. Sawun 93 Seven Sisters Underground Nswa eye kwantie bi. Yen senior partner Bernard Owusu san ye barrister ya Gina Tumu na oye Ghana Bar Association member ena wasan gina se mranimfo ewo court cases ya efa Ghana law. Wa advise local authorities, official solicitors office, ni solicitors bebree efa Ghanaian law hunye. Na osan yo bia otai kasa ewo radio any TV so for Ghanaian law.